Good morning, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So today this video is brought to you by GoGoCarbon, who is my carbon fiber sponsor. Throughout this video you're going to see links up top to the right for different videos that you could click on for different installs. But this install today is a very simple one. It is for the carbon fiber glove box cap overlay. So it literally goes over here, as you saw me wiping down from the intro, and right here over this cluster. As you can see right here, look at the weave on that and look at the fitment. The fitment is dead on. So all you're gonna need is something just to take the 3M backing off. And guys, this is for the 15-20 WRX STI. They have a store on Amazon, or you can DM them directly on Instagram. Use my code WikedWips10 for 10% off. So let's get into the install real quick. Now guys, before I get into this, before you even take the sticky backing off, look at this weave, man. It is freaking beautiful, beautiful. So now what you want to do is, obviously guys, I always tell you, just test fit your products first. Test fit this bad boy, make sure it fits in there like a glove. And let me tell you, it definitely does fit. The fitment is like dead on point. So now once you take the backing off, make sure this portion here to the end, I would try to put this in first. Fit it in the groove, make sure that sticky tape is firmly planted. And obviously guys, don't do it in cold weather. Today is like a nice 72-degree day, so this is perfect. So here we go. All right guys, and that's it. That install is done. Look how that bad boy looks here real quick. Look at that weave. Beautiful carbon fiber, man. And guys, if you're wondering, they only make some of the purest stuff, so definitely check them out. As I said, there's links up above. Click on them for various videos. As I said, they have an awesome store on Amazon. Just look up GoGoCarbon. DM them on Instagram. Use my code WikedWips10 for 10% off. That's really it, guys. Just make sure, like, subscribe, definitely comment on this video, follow me on Instagram at WikedWips, and I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.